Is brought to you in part by Orville Redenbacher's Gourmet Popping Corn and by...
We'll return with more of the Big ZZ Afternoon Movie after these messages.
In this day and age of growing pollution, stress, and other health threats, it's now more important than ever to give your body the nutrition necessary to maintain health naturally. Introducing Exela, the highly concentrated enzyme-rich product designed with your good health in mind. Each serving of Exela has the natural healthy benefits of fresh juice and is loaded with the equivalent nutritional value of these fresh fruits and vegetables. Imagine the time, cost, and mess involved in trying to reproduce just one serving of Exela at home. With these comparisons, it's easy to see why thousands of people are choosing Exela instead. Exela comes in two convenient forms, 300 capsules or 200 grams powder. Both come with a 90-day unconditional money-back guarantee. To order your 30-day supply, send $33.95 for capsules or $49.95 for the powder to Quantum Advance International, Post Office Box 4328, Federal Way, Washington 98063. For faster delivery, use your credit card by calling 1-800-758-5858. That's 1-800-758-5858. Order now and receive this free microblender with each powder purchase.
Bargain Bob! Hi, Bargain Bob here, asking you, where can you buy RD skis, athletic shoes, ski boots, and virtually every name brand of sporting goods at savings so big we can't mention them on TV?
Bargain Bob!
We're committed to offering the absolute lowest prices on brand name sporting goods.
Bargain Bob!
Kick a soccer ball through the hole and save 50% on all soccer shoes. Shooting hoops at Bargain Bob's can save you 10% on everything in the store. Stop in today and see what it's all about.
This is Mike West of the Crow and West Morning Roadshow on KXRX, inviting you to a free screening of Leap of Faith, Wednesday, December 16th at the South Center Cinema, starring Steve Martin. To pick up your free pass, just stop by any Car Toys location or the Seattle Lighting Store located at the South Center Annex. While you're there, register to win an ultimate revival weekend at Marriott's Camelback Inn in Scottsdale, Arizona. Golf, tennis, and a spectacular European spa await you. So pick up your passes today.
What do men really want for Christmas?
Oh, I don't even think. Oh, you know what I like.
When it comes to getting a gift for the man on your list, surprise me. Does this sound familiar?
Mm-hmm.
This Christmas, give him the gift you can be sure he'll love. 2 hot sports music videos presented by Sports Illustrated, NFL Rocks, and NBA Superstars 2. They're both free with your paid gift subscription to Sports Illustrated.
Rock and roll, baby, rock and roll!
With NFL Rocks, he'll get his favorite football action, moving to the music of artists like John Mellencamp, Elton John, and Bon Jovi. And the action doesn't stop there. Because NBA Superstars 2 gives him the jams, the moves, the shots that rock the season. All set to the beat of today's hottest sounds. Both videos are yours free when you call this toll-free Christmas hotline and surprise him all year long with 54 issues of Sports Illustrated, the best way to get inside the action for over 20 million readers, filled with inside info and unexpected angles.
It's a new gift every week.
Now yours for just $1.39 an issue. You can put it on a credit card. He'll love the exclusive previews, the 93 swimsuit issue. Plus, he'll get 2 free videos that score big with music and action. Right now, you can get Sports Illustrated at over 50% off the cover price. It's like getting half a year free. For faster delivery, use your credit card. So call now.
Hello? Sports Illustrated.
So while he may not come right out and tell you what he wants for Christmas,
Let me get back to you. I don't know.
getting him the perfect gift at the right price couldn't be easier.
Mom, Sports Illustrated. You read my mind. Sports Illustrated. How'd you know?
Just call now.
Hi, I'm Santa Claus.
No, you're not. You're Joe Piscopo. Well, anyway, I want to let you know something special. Bally has a great $99 one-year holiday gift certificate, and it's only available by phone.
Step aerobics.
Life Cycles, the 30-minute workout. Order one for your friend or your spouse now, or order one for yourself and go guilt-free through the holidays.
You look better in the beard, Joe.
An alternate day membership. Advanced credit card payment required. Hurry. Offer ends December 23rd. Call 1-800-FITNESS.
Now back to the Big ZZ Afternoon Movie. We'll return with more of the Big ZZ Afternoon Movie after these messages.
In this day and age of growing pollution, stress, and other health threats, it's now more important than ever to give your body the nutrition necessary to maintain health naturally. Introducing Exela, the highly concentrated enzyme-rich product designed with your good health in mind. Each serving of Exela has the natural healthy benefits of fresh juice and is loaded with the equivalent nutritional value of these fresh fruits and vegetables. Imagine the time, cost, and mess involved in trying to reproduce just one serving of Exela at home. With these comparisons, it's easy to see why thousands of people are choosing Exela instead. Exela comes in 2 convenient forms, 300 capsules or 200 grams powder. Both come with a 90-day unconditional money-back guarantee. To order your 30-day supply, send $33.95 for capsules or $49.95 for the powder to Quantum Advance International. Post Office Box 4328, Federal Way, Washington 98063. For faster delivery, use your credit card by calling 1-800-758-5858. That's 1-800-758-5858. Order now and receive this free microblender with each powder purchase.
She's predicted major events around the world. Now, Psychic Mickey Dane predicts for you.
I've got the answer. Call now.
Love, money, health, relationships. What kind of day will this be? Mickey knows. Your daily, personalized horoscope in one simple phone call. Everything you need to know according to the stars. $2 per minute. If you need answers, call Mickey now. Mickey knows.
This season, make the most of your time on the slopes. Get the new Signature of Excellence video free and learn to carve turns from skiing's top pros. Call toll-free, and Skiing Magazine will send you this exciting video free with your paid subscription of only $11.94. Ski with more confidence, control, and style. Enjoy a full season of Skiing Magazine, America's authority on instruction, equipment, fashion, and travel. Don't wait. Get Skiing Magazine and your free video. Call today to make this your best ski season ever.
They don't live in the rainforest. They don't swim in the ocean or soar in the sky. Where they live, hope is the endangered species, as precious as any animal, plant, or habitat on Earth. Because every day, these children wake up in the toxic environment of poverty. Here, a sick baby will probably die for lack of a simple remedy made from water, sugar, and salt. Here, a little girl will never achieve her one dream, learning how to read. And right here in the United States, a frightened preschooler is locked alone in his apartment because his parents can't afford daycare. All over the world, millions of precious children are hungry, hurting, afraid. But for many of them, there is hope through the work of Save the Children and the generosity of people like you. Save the Children fights the poverty and hunger that destroy children's lives. They know how to make the suffering stop, but they need you to help. It's simple to do. Just pick up the phone and say you'll be a Save the Children sponsor. We'll rush you the name and story of a little child who urgently needs you. A photograph will follow. And from then on, you'll receive regular word of how your sponsored child is benefiting from the good work your $20 monthly contribution helps make possible. Save the Children knows how to get the most out of every penny. In fact, your contribution, combined with others, helps provide programs that enable communities to nurture all their children. Call and say you'll join us. And one by one, we can quell the hunger, heal the sickness, and help give little children the chance to live and be children. Become a Save the Children sponsor now. Call 1-800-237-7100.
Look out, Betty. It's Wanda's turn to win.
Muckleshoot Indian Bingo. It'll change your luck.
Now back to the Big ZZ Afternoon Movie. We'll return with more of the Big ZZ Afternoon Movie after these messages.
I will do this until I'm 100.
On the next Jenny Jones, they're sexy senior strippers.
If I can get a rise out of any man for any reason, it's wonderful.
Just because they're over 50
I like younger men.
doesn't mean they're over the hill. Sexy senior strippers on the next Jenny Jones.
Tuesday at 8 p.m. on the Big ZZ.
In this day and age of growing pollution, stress, and other health threats, it's now more important than ever to give your body the nutrition necessary to maintain health naturally. Introducing Exela, the highly concentrated enzyme-rich product designed with your good health in mind. Each serving of Exela has the natural healthy benefits of fresh juice and is loaded with the equivalent nutritional value of these fresh fruits and vegetables. Imagine the time, cost, and mess involved in trying to reproduce just one serving of Exela at home. With these comparisons, it's easy to see why thousands of people are choosing Exela instead. Exela comes in two convenient forms, 300 capsules or 200 grams powder. Both come with a 90-day unconditional money-back guarantee. To order your 30-day supply, send $33.95 for capsules or $49.95 for the powder to Quantum Advance International. Post Office Box 4328, Federal Way, Washington 98063. For faster delivery, use your credit card by calling 1-800-758-5858. That's 1-800-758-5858. Order now and receive this free microblender with each powder purchase.
Funerals are a difficult time for everyone. In the midst of their grief, people are often burdened with the cost and details of arranging the funeral service. That's why the Purple Cross Plan was created. It protects families from the stress and cost of funeral details by prepaying funeral expenses. The Purple Cross Plan pays cash expenses at a time when your family needs them the most. Appearing on your screen are the names of funeral homes participating with Purple Cross in your area. We are proud to say that over 400,000 families have chosen Purple Cross. We also provide this free planning guide to help organize your wishes. The Purple Cross Plan is one of the most thoughtful things you can do for your family. For more information, call us today.
If you call us now at 1-800-272-7526, we'll send you free information on the plan and its benefits. You're under absolutely no obligation. The information and the phone call are both free. That's 1-800-272-7526.
Sounds pretty good to me.
This is great, Dion. Let's do the next song.
You're on. And while I've got a few minutes, let me tell you about a very special phone service called the Psychic Friends Network, which was introduced on a TV show about psychic phenomena. Linda Georgian, a friend and a psychic, has helped me and many others. It was Linda who created the Psychic Friends Network so that you can get expert psychic advice right over the telephone. Just by dialing the number on your screen, you'll be connected to a professional psychic who cares about your future. Callers to the network have been impressed.
I had a great time. Hey, you're talking to someone, they're giving you their undivided attention, and they're making a lot of sense.
The psychics have amazed people with their accurate predictions.
People who are skeptics call all the time, and there's always at least one or two things I'll come up with that hits the nail on the head. They get quiet, and they'll say, "Can I have your extension number, please? Can I call you back and ask you some more questions?"
Lots of first-time callers pick up the phone out of curiosity, and most of them discover that the Psychic Friends Network has a lot to offer.
And they told me to sit at home and just collect this money. And I did. And that gave me the money to buy a car. It gave me the money to start my own business. And by January 1st, I was in business for myself.
You'd be surprised to know who's calling the Psychic Friends Network. One like to live's Elaine Princey called.
After what I've just experienced, I think you can get a very good psychic reading over the telephone.
And so did daytime TV's hottest couple, Ricky Paul Golden and Yasmin Bleeth. They wanted to know more about their romance.
Is this going to be the end of our relationship? I mean, is this going to ultimately destroy our... I asked her that.
You asked her that?
Yeah.
So if you're wondering about anything, no matter how big or small, call the Psychic Friends Network today. All it takes is a telephone and an open mind, and you won't be disappointed.
Must be 18 to call, just $3.99 per minute.
A house of clocks and this cozy red log cabin have been Snohomish County landmarks for generations. You've driven by it 100 times and wondered what was inside. I had no idea will be your first words when you open the door. A house of clocks has the largest selection of heirloom quality timepieces in the state. Here you will experience old world craftsmanship you thought no longer existed. And our family's attention to service will bring you back time after time. A house of clocks on Highway 99 north of Linwood and in Parkway Plaza.
Now back to the Big ZZ Afternoon Movie.
In this day and age of growing pollution, stress, and other health threats, it's now more important than ever to give your body the nutrition necessary to maintain health naturally. Introducing Exela, the highly concentrated enzyme-rich product designed with your good health in mind. Each serving of Exela has the natural healthy benefits of fresh juice and is loaded with the equivalent nutritional value of these fresh fruits and vegetables. Imagine the time, cost, and mess involved in trying to reproduce just one serving of Exela at home. With these comparisons, it's easy to see why thousands of people are choosing Exela instead. Exela comes in two convenient forms, 300 capsules or 200 grams powder. Both come with a 90-day unconditional money-back guarantee. To order your 30-day supply, send $33.95 for capsules or $49.95 for the powder to Quantum Advance International, Post Office Box 4328, Federal Way, Washington 98063. For faster delivery, use your credit card by calling 1-800-758-5858. That's 1-800-758-5858. Order now and receive this free microblender with each powder purchase.
You know what people put into the Salvation Army kettles each year at Christmas. Now, you also know what people get out of the Salvation Army kettles. On behalf of all those who've been helped this past year, thanks for making tomorrow's forecast much brighter.
He had told me, well, why don't you just kill it?
A baby ruined my marriage on the next Montel Williams show.
Tonight at 7 p.m. on the Big ZZ.
Are you straining your eyes trying to catch the action on your tiny TV set? Introducing Telemax, the amazing new TV magnifier that gives you the big picture you've been waiting for. Just place the Telemax screen in front of the TV set. Instantly, it transforms your little set into a giant TV. Look again. These two sets are identical in screen size. Add the Telemax screen, and you've got a state-of-the-art giant screen TV. Available in two sizes, you can change your small TV to a large screen TV. Change your larger screen TV to a giant screen TV, an incredible 34 inches. Imagine a crystal clear giant screen picture, almost the size of a yardstick. Now that's big. Look, some TV screens are so small you need a magnifying glass. But Telemax delivers the big picture. It's the life of the football party for non-stop action. Imagine your favorite video game on a giant screen TV. Add the Telemax screen for super clear, bigger-than-life details. Relax your eyes, eliminate your glasses. It's so easy to install. You can move it from set to set. It works everywhere. It's super safe for children. Telemax actually filters out the dangerous ultraviolet rays. Can you tell the $2,000 set from the $200 set? Both pictures are perfectly clear, yet the Telemax gives you the perfect giant screen picture for a fraction of the price. Why not save your vision and your money with Telemax? Get the 25-inch screen for only $29.95. Or get the giant screen Telemax for only $59.95. Get the big picture, 50% bigger with Telemax.
The 34-inch Telemax large screen with bonus portable floor stand is $59.95. The 25-inch Telemax screen is $29.95. Have your credit card ready and call 1-800-453-6969 or send check or money order for $69.45 for 34-inch large screen, $37.45 for 25-inch screen to the address shown. Sorry, no CODs accepted. Call 1-800-453-6969.
Hi, we're from the Seattle Thunderbirds. You know it gets cold and rough out here, but we wouldn't come out here without the right equipment. But a lot of kids in Seattle live on the streets without protection from the cold. So join KTZZ 107.7 The End and the T-Birds in spraying some winter warmth this season.
We'll be collecting blankets, sleeping bags, or warm clothes at our game on December 30th against the Tacoma Rockets in the Coliseum.
Make a donation and you'll receive a coupon good for $2 off to a future T-Birds game.
All donations will benefit Seattle Area Youth Care.
Be a part of our winter warm-up on December 30th.
Olympic Jewelers is the name on the door where you pay much less for much more. During Olympic's Christmas sale, you'll save 50 to 70% on Olympic's entire stock of diamond solitaires, loose diamonds, earrings, pendants, diamond rings, and cultured pearls. 70% off the complete stock of 14, 18, and 24-karat gold chains, bracelets, earrings, and pendants. Regularly $40 to $4,500, now $12 to $1,350. Diamond solitaires, regularly $200 to $38,000, now $100 to $19,000. An exceptional value during Olympics Christmas sale. Diamonds, rubies, sapphires, emeralds, and cultured pearl pendants, rings, and earrings, all 50% off. Olympic Jewelers, 5th and Olive, opposite the Westin Hotel. Open Monday through Saturday, 9:30 to 7. And now, exclusively with Olympic Jewelers, no money down, 6 months to pay with no interest. All credit cards, checks, and layaways accepted.
She's predicted major events around the world. Now, psychic Mickey Dane predicts for you.
I've got the answer. Call Nat.
Love, money, health, relationships. What kind of day will this be? Mickey knows. Your daily, personalized horoscope in one simple phone call. Everything you need to know according to the stars. $2 per minute. If you need answers, call Mickey now. Mickey knows.
Hi, I'm Santa Claus.
No, you're not. You're Joe Piscopo. Well, anyway, I want to let you know something special. Bally has a great $99 one-year holiday gift certificate, and it's only available by phone. Step aerobics, life cycles, the 30-minute workout. Order one for your friend or your spouse now, or order one for yourself and go guilt-free through the holidays.
You look better in the beard, Joe.
An alternate day membership. Advanced credit card payment required. Hurry. Offer ends December 23rd. Call 1-800-FITNESS.
Without a direction in life, this is how the future looks. But some people have discovered a way to take charge of their lives and make the most of their futures Now, you can learn what they know. Call the Psychic Line toll-free now and find out how you can have a consultation with a real psychic. Anytime, 24 hours a day.
The first time I called the Psychic Line, I wasn't sure if it would work for me. Now I call every day for all kinds of advice.
My career was going nowhere. I was ready for a change, but my psychic told me persistence pays. She was right.
The psychic I spoke to said she heard bells when I told her about Tom. She's not the only one.
Call the Psychic Line toll-free now.
Call now 1-800-572-7317.
Something new has happened at AT&T. Something beyond having more operators than any other long-distance company. Something more than helping you in just about any language you speak. It's the new AT&T Special Country Plan. Save 15% off AT&T international rates with no sign-up costs and no monthly fees. It's easy to come back. Call 1-800-367-9801. Dealing with one bill is still as convenient as you remember. But now you save 15%, not just to one person, but to everyone in the international country of your choice. There's never been more reasons to come back. Call now. You can still count on AT&T quality. But did you know that you can call one of over 200 international countries and cities and save 15%? If you ever thought about coming back, now is the time. 1-800-367-9801. AT&T. You couldn't pick a better time to come back.
Cliff here at IHOP. You know, most people think of just one thing when they think of IHOP. But actually, IHOP makes much more than just great pancakes. Sushi? Oh, nobody does breakfast like IHOP does breakfast.
Big Country Breakfast, just $4.99. Served all day, every day, at your Seattle area IHOPs now.
It's About Time, a new TV show that makes the most of time, yours and mine, with Clark and Elaine Reeves. Thinking about early retirement? Think again. Healthcare costs might stop you. Find out how to make sure your money keeps its buying power. Discover what a world-renowned cardiologist has to say about your happiness and health. And it's not just puppy love when you adopt a pet. 30 minutes that makes lively sense because it's About Time. Sunday, December 20th, 6 p.m.
Pierced his cloud of depression.
For the first time, a little seed of hope began to crop up in my heart.
Their bondage of poverty was miraculously broken.
My life is totally different because of it.
She was looking to die when she found new life.
If it wasn't for Robert Tilton, I probably wouldn't be alive, but God used him on that TV program.
Watch Robert Tilton weekday mornings on Success in Life.
You probably know what people put into the Salvation Army kettles each year at Christmas. Well, now you also know what people get out of the Salvation Army kettles.
Captain N is zapping your way. I think that's my cue to kick it. To defend Videoland from the forces of evil.
Weekdays at 5:30 p.m. on the Big ZZ. Hang on to your hats. The Big ZZ comic strip is next. He comes from a very long line of bad cats. It's the always curious, never serious Heathcliff. At 3:30, it's the Ghost with the Most, Casper and Friends, plus a whole host of your favorite cartoon characters on a 2-hour whirlwind adventure. Coming up next.
Heathcliff, Heathcliff, no one should terrify their neighborhood. But Heathcliff just won't be undone, playing pranks on everyone. There's a race to be on top, the competition doesn't stop. Mixing with the ladies fair, being charming
you see what I do next.
Yummy fruity pebbles in our bowls. Oh, here comes you-know-who.
Yabba dabba fruit, delicious do. Ho, 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 I'm hungry. Santa, my pebbles.
Your pebbles?
'Tis the season to be sharing, Fred.
Happy holidays, pal.
Oh, Fred. Fruity and Cocoa Pebbles cereals, part of this nutritious breakfast. Ho, 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 ho.